Hello everybody. Our main emphasis in all these videos is on utilizing the technology in an effective and fruitful way, because every technology is the expression of the human will. We have heard since long time that necessity is the mother of invention. Through our tools, we seek to expand our power and gain better control over our circumstances. This is the sole motive behind all these actions we are performing. So, without wasting any further time, I just proceed with the work. The first word for today is deadpan. DADPAN. Deadpan means wooden, impassive. Example, we wanted to see how long he could maintain his deadpan expression. The man's face was deadpan. He showed no emotion at all. Good fighters, whenever pain is inflicted over them by their adversaries, carry their deadpan attitude, because a little indication of pain can give psychological advantage to their adversaries. Deadpan humor takes a minute before you can get a laugh. Next word is dearth. Dearth. Dearth means scarcity. Example, the dearth of skilled labor compelled the employers to open trade schools to develop the employability skills. The second annual sale was a disappointment since there was a dearth of common sizes. His business failed because he was unable to develop a clientele of customers. Or we may say it like this: due to dearth of customers, his business failed. Next word is debacle. Debacle. Debacle means breaking up, downfall. Example, this debacle in the government can only result in anarchy. Another example, after last week's debacle, this week's game at home to Phoenix was an important one. The defeat of the team acted as a debacle and the team lost the whole series. Next word is debase. Debase. Debase means to reduce to a lower state. Example, do not debase yourself by becoming tearfully sentimental, often through drunkenness. Every time a new rule is introduced in a popular sport, there are fans who say it will debase the game. But every rule is implemented to increase the fans or the people watching the game, spectators. Next word is debauch. Debauch. Debauch means to corrupt, make intemperate. Now, what is intemperate? To cause lack of self control. Example, a vicious newspaper can debauch public ideals. Debauchery means uncontrolled indulgence in immoral pleasures such as drinking, sex, and drugs. Another example, the church admonished the college students for their debauchery at the frat party. Next word is debilitate. Debilitate. Debilitate means weaken, enfeeble. Example, over indulgence debilitates character as well as physical stamina. Next word, next example, kryptonite debilitated Superman's strength, which made him a easy target to his enemy. Sam had a very high fever which had debilitated his body. Now, if you have watched Superman movies or read Superman magazines, you would know that kryptonite is a crystal that caused Superman to lose strength or to weaken Superman's strength. Next word is debonair. Debonair. Debonair means friendly, aiming to please. Example, the debonair youth was liked by all who met him because of his cheerful and obliging manner. Next example, I can see through his debonair ways to the scoundrel. He really is. Now, who is a scoundrel? A scoundrel is a dishonest or unscrupulous person. Earlier, we have read this scrupulous also. Scrupulous means showing extreme care to keep the things run in a correct way. Next word is debris. Debris. Debris means rubble. Now what is a rubble? Rubble means waste or rough fragments of stone, brick, concrete, etc., especially from demolition of the buildings. Example, a full year after the earthquake in Mexico City, workers were still carting away the debris. Next example, the saddest and most enraging sight I ever saw was the World Trade Towers reduced to debris. Next word is debunk. Debunk. Debunk means expose as false, exaggerated, worthless, etc. It also means ridicule or to make fun of something. Example, pointing out that he is consistently had voted against strengthening anti-pollution legislation. Reporters debunked the candidate's claim that he was a fervent environmentalist. Now, what do we mean by fervent environmentalist? Having or displaying a passionate intensity to restore environment is called fervent environmentalist. Another example for debunk, Jim regards conspiracy theories as dangerous and tries to debunk them. Next word is debutant. Debutante. Debutant means young woman making formal entrance into society. Example, as a debutant, she was often mentioned in the society columns of the newspapers. The debutant's photograph was at the lead of the society page. Actually, nowadays, debutant is also used for beginner. Example, the debutant pugilist won silver medal for the Indian contingent in the Commonwealth Games. Next word is decadence. D-E-C-A-D-E-N-C-E. Decadence means decay. Example, the moral decadence of the people was reflected in the lewd literature of the period. Now, lewd literature is actually a kind of genre for literature. It consists of obscene and offensive in a sexual way. Another example, the decadence of the economy began to fall sharply. The latest dessert offering at my favorite restaurant is called chocolate decadence. Next word is decant. D-E-C-A-N-T. Decant means pour off gently. Example, be sure to decant this wine before serving it. Next word is decapacitate. Sorry. Next word is decapitate. D-A-C-A-P-I-T-A-T. Decapitate means behead. Example, they did not hang Lady Jane Grey, they decapitated her. Islamic terrorists prefer decapitating individuals in comparison to hanging them. All criminals should be decapitated who are guilty of heinous crimes like rape and murder. Many people were decapitated during the French Revolution. Next word is decelerate. D-E-C-L-E-R-A-T-E. Decelerate means slow down. Seeing the emergency blinkers in the road ahead, he decelerated quickly. We can use weed killer to decelerate the progress of unwanted plants, but we prefer to just pull out the weeds as they appear. Actually, in agriculture, we follow two strategies to control weeds. First is through weed killers and other is through hand pulling, uprooting the weeds in the fields. Next word is deciduous. D-E-C-I-D-U-O-U-S. Deciduous means falling off, as of leaves. Example, the oak is a deciduous tree. Deciduous tree. In Australia, the forests found in Australia are deciduous forests in which trees drop all the leaves during a period of year, and sometimes actually after a cycle of around 2 to 3 years these forests catch fires. Okay, conflagration we have read earlier. Conflagration are great fire. Actually these forest fires are caused in such a great extent that helicopters are required to control these fires from spreading. Another example, the milk teeth in a mammal are deciduous. They fall after a period of time. Many trees such as maple, oak and cottonwood are deciduous. Next word is decimate. D-E-C-I-M-A-T-E. Decimate means kill, usually 1 out of 10. So if you have 100 people and you kill 10 out of them, we can say it as decimate. Example, we do more to decimate our population in automobile accidents than we do in war. Decimate means to destroy or reduce by 1/10, which means 10% destroyed, but 90% remains. Because I had eaten a big breakfast, I was only able to decimate my lunch. Now, this is also a figurative use of decimate. Another example, although a disaster was said to decimate the city homes, 90% of the homes remain intact. Next word is next word is decipher. Decipher. Cipher means code and decipher means decode. Example, I could not decipher the doctor's handwritings. I was able to decipher the ancient writing. Next word is declivity. Declivity. Declivity means downward slope. Example, the children loved to ski down the declivity. Bill, while hiking, slipped down a wet declivity, then climbed up the following acclivity. Next word is decollete. Decollete. Decollete means having a low cut neckline. Actually, this word is related with fashion industry. Generally with the gowns of girls. Fashion decrees that evening gowns be decollete this season. Bare shoulders are again the vogue. Now, vogue means popular fashion. Vogue style means popular fashion. Okay. Next word is decomposition. Decomposition. Decomposition means decay. Example, despite the body's advanced state of decomposition, the police were able to identify the murdered man. After the dead body has been buried for a while, it begins to decompose or deteriorate. Next word is decorum. Decorum. Decorum means propriety, seemliness. Propriety means conforming to accepted standards of behavior or morals. Seemliness means behavior which the other people expect from you. Example, shocked by the unruly behavior, the teacher criticized the class for its lack of decorum. He displayed proper decorum by taking his hat off when he entered the house. Next word is decoy. Decoy. Decoy means lure or bait. Now, lure means something that tempts or used to tempt a person or animal to do something. Bait is food used to entice fish or other animals as prey. Example, the wild ducks were not fooled by the decoy. Another example, police used a decoy to lure criminals. Next word is decrepitude. Decrepitude. Decrepitude means a state of collapse caused by illness or old age. Example, I was unprepared for the state of decrepitude in which I had found my old friend. He seemed to have aged 20 years in 6 months. Actually, when somebody is suffering from a severe disease, the decomposition or degradation of the physical health of body is quick. Another example, the old man was dying due to the decrepitude in his heart. Next word is decry, D-E-C-R-Y. Decry means express a strong disapproval of, disparage. Example, the founder of the Children's Defense Fund, Marian Wright Edelman, strongly decries the lack of financial and moral support for children in America today. Politicians often decry the influence of lobbyists while accepting the same favors for themselves. The animal rights group held a huge gathering to decry the use of animals in product testing. People often organize social gatherings to decry their resentment against laws which seem to limit their independence or freedom. Next word is deducible. D-E-D-U-C-I-B-L-E. Deducible means derived by reasoning. Example, if we accept your premise, your conclusions are easily deducible. Next word is deface. D-E-F-A-C-E. Deface means mar, M-A-R, which means impair the appearance or quality of. Deface also means disfigure. Example, if you deface a library book, you will have to pay a hefty fine. Next example, the police arrested the teens that were about to deface the house with the bats. Next word is defamation. D-E-F-A-M-A-T-I-O-N. Defamation means harming a person's reputation. Example, such defamation of character may result in a slander suit. Slander suit is a court proceeding or proceeding under law when somebody makes false and damaging statements about someone. Another example, he sued the newspaper for defamation of character. Next word is default. D-E-F-A-U-L-T. Default means failure to do. Example, as a result of husband's failure to appear in court, she was granted a divorce by default. Actually, default things are those which occur when you fail to act. In computer terminology also, we have default options in various software applications. Means those options will run when you do not act. Those are the default settings. Another example, her account went into default for non-payment. We often hear the terms like tax defaulters. Tax defaulters are those people who do not pay their tax or fail to pay their tax. Next word is defeatist. D-E-F-E-A-T-I-S-T. Defeatist means resigned to defeat, accepting defeat as a natural outcome. Example, If you maintain your defeatist attitude, you will never succeed. Another example, we will never win the game because our quarterback has a defeatist attitude. Quarterback is actually a term related with American football. Next word is defection. D-E-F-E, defection, D-E-F-E-C-T-I-O-N. Defection means desertion. Desertion means withdrawing support or help despite allegiance or responsibility. Defection is a term commonly used in political alliance. Political parties often defection show defection when there are dispute among them. Example, the children who had made him an idol were hurt mostly by his defection from our cause. Okay, defection from the cause. Another example, during World War I, many young men who fled the army through fear of battle were accused of defection because whenever somebody joins an army, he takes an oath of allegiance. And if due to any circumstance he fled the army, he is considered as a defection. Next word is deference. D-E-F-E-R-E-N-C-E. Deference means courteous regard for another's wish. Example, in deference of his desires, the employers granted him a holiday. Out of deference to the older man, I allowed him to enter the room before me. He addressed her politely with the deference due her due to her social position. It is usually wise to show deference to your supervisors and managers. Next word is defile. D-E-F-I-L-E. Defile means to pollute. Profane. Profane means to treat with irreverence or disrespect. Example, the hoodlums defiled the church with their scurrilous writings. Now, who are hoodlums? Hoodlums are persons who engage in crimes and violence. Another example, the employee's reputation for looking professional was defiled when he arrived at work without wearing proper attire. Next word is definitive. D-E-F-I-N-I-T-I-V-E. Definitive means most reliable or complete. Example, I own a definitive collection of Harry Potter books. Means all series of Harry Potter books I have. Another example, Abraham Lincoln may be regarded as the definitive work of Carl Sandburg on the life of great emancipator. Next word is deflect. D-E-F-L-E-C-T. Deflect means turn aside. Example, his life was saved when his cigarette case deflected the bullet. When the ball is kicked my way, I do my best to deflect it. Next word is defoliate. D-E-F-O-L-I-A-T-E. Defoliate means destroy leaves. Example, in Vietnam, the army made extensive use of chemical agents to defoliate the woodlands. Actually, when an army is fighting in a jungle or forest, it is necessary to defoliate the trees. Otherwise, the sight of enemy becomes difficult. Okay, so this was the last word for today. Thank you.